Gardening on a budget. Smart strategies for thrifty green thumbs. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating topic of garden budgeting. This concept is not just about saving money, but it's also about making smart choices for your garden. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced gardener, understanding how to budget can make a big difference. So, let's get started and learn how to make your garden flourish without breaking the bank. Garden budgeting refers to the process of planning and managing the financial aspects of your garden. It's about balancing costs with the desire to create a beautiful and productive space. This section will cover the basics of what garden budgeting entails, including planning expenses, prioritizing needs, and allocating resources effectively. Here, we will explore various ways to garden efficiently while keeping costs low. We'll discuss how to reuse and recycle materials, choose cost-effective plants, and implement DIY solutions. This section aims to provide practical tips that can help you save money while still achieving the garden of your dreams. In this section, we will introduce some useful tools and techniques for planning your garden budget. We'll talk about budgeting templates, garden planning apps, and how to track your spending. These tools are essential for keeping your garden expenses organized and under control. Gardening can sometimes lead to unexpected expenses. We'll address common financial pitfalls in gardening, such as overspending on trendy plants or underestimating the cost of maintenance. By being aware of these mistakes, you can avoid them and keep your garden budget healthy. In our final section, we'll focus on ways to maximize the value of your garden. This includes choosing plants that offer long-term benefits, investing in quality tools that last longer, and considering the aesthetic value of your garden. A well-planned garden can not only save you money but also enhance your living space beautifully. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of garden budgeting. Remember, a beautiful garden doesn't have to be expensive. With careful planning, creativity, and the tips we've shared today, you can cultivate a stunning garden that fits your budget. Happy gardening, and we hope this video has been helpful to you.